KU Leuven Belgium Mastermind Scholarship 2026 fully funded. Applications are now open for the KU Leuven Mastermind Scholarship 2026 to 2027, a prestigious fully funded opportunity for international students who want to pursue a master's degree in Belgium. This scholarship allows outstanding students to study at KU Leuven, one of the oldest and highest-ranked universities in Europe, known globally for academic excellence and innovation. The Mastermind Scholarship supports 1 academic year of 60 ECTS, or 2 academic years of 120 ECTS, depending on the master's programme. The scholarship is open to all nationalities, except Russian citizens, and is designed to attract top global talent to Belgium. Scholarship benefits: 1. Full tuition fee waiver. 2. €10,000 grant per academic year. 3. Financial support for accommodation in Belgium. 4. Coverage for insurance. 5. Contribution toward living expenses. Eligibility criteria. Applicants must hold a bachelor's degree obtained outside Belgium and meet the English language requirements, such as IELTS or TOEFL. However, students who previously completed an English-taught programme in countries like the UK, USA, Canada, Australia, Ireland, New Zealand, or other English-speaking countries are exempt from submitting English test results. Eligible candidates for the Mastermind Scholarship are also automatically considered for the KU Leuven Inspiring the Outstanding Scholarship, further increasing their chances of financial support. Selection criteria. Candidates are assessed based on academic performance, academic awards and achievements, motivation and commitment, relevant academic or professional experience, leadership potential, overall strength of applicant profile, how to apply. To apply, submit an online application for your chosen master's programme at KU Leuven and select the option to apply for KU Leuven scholarships and the Mastermind Scholarship. With a single application, you can be considered for multiple scholarships at KU Leuven. The application deadline is the 15th of January 2026. The official application link is available in the description below. Good luck and thanks for watching.